This vegetable soup is so simple to put together and absolutely delicious. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. In a pan, I'm going to start by adding vegetable oil into the pan. You can make use of the palm oil. In fact, palm oil is the best for this recipe. But because I didn't have palm oil, I make use of vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated up, I just go in with a lot of diced onion. I'm going to stir fry this for about 2 or 3 minutes just to add flavor into the oil. 2 minutes later, I go with the locust beans and the crayfish. If you don't like locust beans, you can use any local seasoning of your choice. I'm going to stir it together for another 30 seconds just to add more flavor into the oil. 30 seconds later, I'll go in with my pepper. I didn't blend this particular pepper. I just dice it up, alright? You can go ahead and blend your pepper, but today I just like to dice it up, alright? Once I add all the peppers, I just go ahead and stir it together nicely until they are well combined. I go in with some beef stock and I go ahead and add a little bit of salt to taste and some seasoning cube. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice, but as usual, you guys know that I like to keep it simple and it always turns out so delicious. I go with some dry beef, which I have video on that, the link in the description box below. Added a little bit of water to it just to soften the beef a little bit, and I stir everything together nicely until they are well combined. Tasted for seasoning, everything is perfect. If you need to adjust your seasoning, feel free to adjust your seasoning. I'll just go ahead and cover the pot and allow it to cook. While it's cooking, don't forget to stir on it so it doesn't burn. At this point, the sauce has cooked to my liking. I don't want it to be too dry. I just go in with my spinach. I already prepped this a couple of days ago. I just saw it in my freezer. But I have a video on how you can prep your veggies in case you don't know. Once I had my vegetable, I just stir everything together until they are nicely combined. And you guys, the aroma is absolutely amazing. It smells so good, guys. And it tasted absolutely delicious. Will you give this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. Once I stir the vegetable really nicely, I just cover the pot again and allow to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it, guys. So simple and it turned out so delicious. 3 minutes later, I give it a final good stir and it is ready. Serve your family, serve yourself and enjoy. You can enjoy this with yam, with rice, with eba, with amala. Trust me, it tasted so delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!